the Turbo BRZ. To give you guys a little idea, 11.6 miles per gallon. Insane, man. Oh shoot, there's a cop right there. But yeah, today we're gonna get a little bit of work done on the BRZ. There's a small thing I want to fix. So we're actually heading up to Lonzo's shop. I haven't been there. I don't think I've been there since SEMA when we did the FRS. Also, we're gonna go to a little photo shoot of the new merch, literally right now. We're gonna have my guy shoot some pictures for the website. These are the cruising t-shirts. If you guys missed the last video, we did the annual birthday cruise. That was such a sick turnout, man. I love that video. It's kind of like a different vibe to it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys who all came to the birthday cruise. Driving the BRZ today, we got about like an hour or so road trip. And let's hear some turbo noises right now. All right, the U-turn, can't full lock or else I'll freaking ruin my kit. My clutch is toast. So this thing, it slips the whole way, especially on the freeway. It's so bad. Alright, we're about to get on the freeway, so I'll do a little pull getting on the freeway. Oh man. This car never gets old, bro. Editing on the go. I'm literally just about to post the cruising video, last video on the channel, but as you can see, we made it to our little photo shoot. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Now we're getting the shots for the website on the cruise drop. Like I said, all the stuff that I released at the cruise, I'm gonna be putting online for all you guys who weren't able to attend. So we got the new t-shirts as I'm wearing right now. He's shooting the skateboard decks. So I think we're only doing 10 of these. I didn't think it was gonna match with the car, but honestly it does. I love these colors. It's more of like a summer vibe kind of. We got the palm trees. It's super cool, man. Such a simple, nice tee. We got obviously the license plate. Since it was my birthday cruise, as you can see on the tag, it says 6/13/97. So it shows my birthday on the plate. It's a nice little like detail. I'm excited for you guys to have these Friday, July, I think it's gonna be the 5th. These will be live on the website. The t-shirts, the skateboard decks, and then also jet tags and license plate frames. I forgot to bring them today, which sucks, but we finally have some accessories. I've been seeing your guys' comments. You guys have been wanting license plate frames, jet tags, you know, all that stuff. So finally delivering this upcoming Friday, July 5th.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a hearing aid after taking those rollers.
Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, so this is super scary. As you can see, we just pulled up to Lonzo's. Okay, I knew my car was leaking oil from the little return line on the turbo to the oil pan, but literally as I pulled up here, it's literally leaking like that, bro. It was not leaking like that before. Before it was just like a couple drops like overnight, but dude, this is literally just like pouring out. It's coming from the fitting to the oil pan. Dude, that is crazy. Look at all the oil, bro. It's just like literally splattered everywhere. Watch your face, dude. What bro, what the heck? It's this fitting right here.
I see it, yeah, it's a dash 10.
Damn, bro, you're about to burn your face off.
They use this pan part of the kit?
Yeah.
Did you guys tap into it?
No, it was part of the kit. Like, it was welded on, yeah. It looks like it's leaking from the
fitting, right? Yeah.
Yeah, not. I was thinking like crack right there, but no. Crazy. Like, unfortunate, but also like good timing too, because as I was driving, I did not know it was leaking that much. Like, that is so scary. I checked my oil levels right now, and it's actually still good. So, good thing the motor still had oil, but wild. But yeah, we just pulled up to Lonzo's, like I said. We got a sick FRS over here. But yeah, does this look familiar? We literally got the FRS done here for SEMA, the wide body kit and everything, the full transformation. Not the BRZ, we actually did the BRZ for SEMA at his house before he got the shop. But it's so sick being back here, back at Alonzo's shop. Sorry about your floor.
It's all good. I haven't cleaned it up later.
So yeah, pretty much when I came here, I wanted to get some, as you can see, this bumper freaking flaps. Like, especially on the freeway, you'll see this like bumper just going back and forth. So what are you thinking, like, for, I was thinking just like right here, and then a rod that goes kind of like up against the bumper to support it.
No, yeah, so I have 1/8 inch steel, but also I have like 1/8 inch aluminum. Aluminum is probably better.
I mean, essentially it would be right here though, right?
It's a rod, right? That's all we need.
Yeah, like
we
a rod.
could just do a splitter rod from literally from here.
Splitter rod, yeah.
One of these.
Yeah, something that attaches here to the stock point, and then like a rod, and then something that fits behind the bumper, so if you try to push it, it won't move. It never did that before, but since we put the intercooler and the turbo on, that thing is too big to fit the plastic piece that goes right here. So now it's like literally just nothing, like no support for the bumper. All right, well that was an easy fix. There are little aluminum rods. They're like self-tap right here on the bumper. Then just use like the factory hole on the frame. There you go, solid. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be way more complicated. I was thinking like a metal rod and then like another rod welded to this, and then it's just like flush with the bumper. You know what I mean? Like something like that. I literally did not think of this though. Just like attach it here and then just like either self-tap it or nut and bolt through the bumper. So that was quick. That was like a 10-minute job, but did the trick, literally, nice and secure. Well, before we got to Alonzo's shop, my mufflers came off, and dude, this happened to me, I think 2 to 3 times already, ever since we put the turbo on. Dude, the backfires from Flores Tuning are so freaking loud. Let me show you guys. Traction. Oh my gosh. Oh! If I make like a huge pop sometimes, look. It literally just pops the muffler out from the clamp. It's insane. I think this car has the loudest backfires ever, bro. Like, even more than, the FRS is crazy. You guys have seen a lot of videos with the FRS, like the backfires and the flames. But dude, that is freaking crazy. I've never had backfires do that on any of the cars. Yeah, it's a super easy fix. I'm just gonna loosen this and then reattach these, because the whole time I'm driving, you literally just hear that. It's so annoying. Alright, easy fix. Got the clamp back on. That'll be good for probably a couple weeks till it happens again. Alonzo's been working on the leaking fittings to drop this whole thing just so we can tighten that little fitting up here. Kind of annoying, but it is what it is. We took the manifold off for the turbo and this line. So this is the, you said the return line, right?
Oil return line.
So that hooks up to the bottom of the turbo, and it hooks up obviously to the oil pan, and that is loose. So it's just been leaking from here. Before it was just like a couple of drops, but once I got here it was just like freaking pouring out. So all that just to tighten this little fitting. And I gotta clean all this too, because dude, all this oil that's leaking, it just caused this huge mess. Bro, there's just oil everywhere. It was like that the whole time?
I didn't
no
touch
way.
It. I didn't touch
really?
It at all, yeah.
Dude, what? Austin, this is your fault.
Ew,
Hey, rewind the clip. I'm gonna put it of him installing it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. How tight should I do it?
As tight as you can. Yeah, no, tighter, yeah. I want that shit leaking.
More?
Yeah.
It's not gonna strip?
Dude, it's not gonna strip. There you go. Come on, that's perfect.
Alright.
Perfect. Well, if it doesn't leak, then it's perfect. Let's see.
Just do it again.
Yeah.
Just a little bit more.
Send it.
Are these steel or no?
Probably not.
Bro, come on. You gotta tell me to tighten it hella hard. Alright, we're pretty much wrapping up what we had to do. We got the bumper support and fixed the oil leak. Everything seems to look good. Check it out though. Alonzo's personal car. Used to have a turbo in it, but now It's got a whole swap going on. So this is putting a JZ, as you can see right here. Got a big old turbo. I think right now he's just working on the wiring, the harness, but I love Ariana Grande. But yeah, super sick. This is his little project right here. He's actually the one that does all my bash bars. So like the front bash bars, and the rear one that I have on the FRS and the BRZ. Being in here, I'm always like wanting to upgrade my shop size. I love his shop size. Like it's definitely wider. I feel like my shop is like to like that wall to like maybe this end of the car. You know, you can put a lift like he has. But every time I'm in someone else's shop, it makes me like think, and I'm like, yo, like I want to freaking upgrade my shop, bro. It's like a bigger size. You know, he has like the loft, hey, shout out Word Supply. But yeah, he got like the bathroom, the office, much more obviously than my shop. And just being here makes me want to like upgrade. So maybe sometime in the future we can find, you know, a spot. I'm always honestly looking to upgrade, but got the BRZ squared away. I think next time we're gonna do the clutch. I definitely need a clutch. That's actually on the way to the car. But yeah, for now, BRZ is good to go. All right, well, we made it back to the shop. Had a good hour and a half-ish drive from Lonzo's. I'm honestly so tired of that drive because I did that drive so much the years of building the BRZ, the FRS for SEMAs. I've driven back and forth there so many times. But anyways, I was literally, as I was pulling up to the shop, I was literally getting followed by a cop, and it was not a fun experience. You don't understand how stressful and scary that is, especially if you weren't doing anything. I was literally just like casually driving, and he just pulled one of those moves where he like was in the far right, and then he just like went all the way to my lane, and it was bad, bro. But we're back at the shop safely. It's crazy. I don't like that, bro, especially when you're like not even doing anything, just like casually driving, like quiet. Stressful, man. Scary, but it was cool today. We fixed all the oil leaks and just the small stuff that I needed to touch up on the turbo kit. Also the bumper, as you can see, thing is super sturdy. I'm literally like kicking it right now. Thing does not move. But yeah, car feels much better, man. I love just kind of like touching things up and just making it better overall. I did install a catch can. I don't think I put it on video, but we put a catch can. I know I was talking about that a lot. Most importantly though, I do need a clutch. I know I've been talking about that a lot, so that's coming in the mail. Clutch has to go in because it literally slips in 6th gear like cruising. It's so bad. Needs a clutch and better tires. That's like priority. I want to do those first. But honestly, a freaking blast with this car, man. The turbo kit, it literally just makes the car a complete different car. Just the driving experience, the sounds, the reactions, everything. Like, it's so fun, man. I love this thing. This video was kind of like, I don't know what you call it, but an idea of what to expect. Yeah, these are small issues that I ran with, like an oil leak, you know, stuff like that. But that's just like honestly part of modifying a car. I get a lot of questions, you know, people asking me like, oh, like, should I turbo my BRZ? Should I wide body my BRZ? Should I do this and that? And these are like, I don't want to scare you guys, but these are like things that are bound to happen, you know what I mean? Like, you modify your car, like other than stock, like things like this are gonna happen. You're just adding more things to your car, you know what I mean? So it's obviously way different than stock, you know. It's a turbo kit, there's so much more fittings, so many oil lines, like just different stuff than stock. So that's just like one thing to take into consideration. Like, yes, you're adding much more, I guess you can say, like areas for error, but that's just part of it, you know. You're modifying your car and it's not stock, you know what I mean? Like sometimes you just can't like hop in and just not think about things. That goes for anything, you know what I mean? The turbo kit, supercharger on the FRS, a wide body kit. Like when you wide body your car, you got to take into consideration, you know, buying bigger wheels, bigger tires, you know, a wrap. You know, it's not just buying a wide body kit and that's it, you know. So yeah, that's the fun of it, you know what I mean? It's a lot of other stressors, but it's worth it. It's much more fun. You just gotta have a little bit of patience to fix a couple things, you know, if you run into issues. But that's just the love for cars. There's probably a lot of questions regarding this car. You know, you guys are probably wondering, you know, why has it just been sitting in the shop? It's literally all cleaned up, and yeah, I just got it washed and just parked it in the shop. And honestly, it's been sitting for like a couple weeks. I don't want to talk too much about it in this video, but all I gotta say is stay tuned for a future video. Got a lot to explain. A lot has happened ever since the last time I've updated you guys on the STI. Yeah, I don't want to get like too ahead of myself, but when it happens, then I'll make a video on it. That's all I gotta say. I don't want to say too much.